Hi Stoner Stars! So I know it's the end of the year, things are winding down, and we have a crazy hat assembly on Monday, June 8th at 2 p.m. So I thought it would be a fun idea to show you a couple examples of crazy, wacky hats you can make. This is the Stoner Star hat. I also just have like some regular headbands. So we're gonna go over a couple different ways you can make a wacky hat. These are the materials I use for the project. I have some pencils, a black marker, scissors, tape, colored markers, and a few sheets of white paper, probably around 2 to 4 pieces of paper. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make the base, just the headband part. And you're going to have 2 sheets of paper stacked on top of each other like this. And then you're going to fold the long side up as thick as you want your headband. So your head fits this thick, that might be a little too thin. I think about this thick is good. If you fold it in half, maybe a little too thick, so I like to fold mine around here. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut along that crease. And then I have 2 sheets of paper, just the same length. Then I'm going to tape these 2 sheets of paper together. Front and back. And now I have just one long strip of paper, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure it to my head, wrap it around, see where it ends. This one just fits me perfectly, but yours might be a little shorter. So if that's the case, you can just fold it over and then tape it together like so. So here is the headband base. And from here, you can do so many different things. Since this is white, you could just color this, put your name on it, and just decorate this part. I'm going to go into detail on a couple different ways you can expand off the headband base. So one fun idea is you can take your scrap paper, the leftover from when you made the headband, and you can cut it into long skinny strips like this. So now I have lots of little strips, and I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna color these and then come back and show you what you can do with them. Okay, so I colored my headband and the fronts and backs of all my strips. And all I'm gonna do now is take each strip and I'm going to tape them to the inside of my hat, and then they will fall over like this. So I'm gonna tape them all on and then come back. So this is how my strip one turned out. It's very fun. You could even give yourself a little haircut if they're too long. If they're in your face, you can flip them back. Very stylish, very wacky. All right, friends, and if you want to show some school spirit and wear a wacky headband / hat with a stoner star, I'm going to show you how to draw and make this star. And then the headband is like the headband we did before. All right, so really fast, how to make a stoner star. We're gonna make a 5-point star like this. Okay, and then I'm going to go back with my pencil and I'm going to round out the edges. Make it a little bigger. Okay, then I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to outline the bigger star. Okay, and then I'm going to take a yellow marker and color it all in. I colored in the star and I'm going to show you how to draw its face, its sunglasses, and mouth and eyebrows. So, sunglasses look like this. We're going to make a line. We're using our black marker. Also, I forgot to mention, but before I colored in the yellow, I erased all my pencil marks, so make sure you do that. Okay, draw a line with your black marker, and then draw a little bit down to make it thick. And then we're gonna make two lumps like that. And we're just gonna color it all the way in. Okay, next we're gonna do its eyebrows, which are super easy. One eyebrow looks like that. The other one is like a little squiggle like that. You can really do any kind of eyebrows you want. Then we're gonna do its kind of smirk. It's gonna start one side up and then go down, and it's kind of more straight at the bottom. Little line for its chin, little line for its mouth. So that's the star, stoner star. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut out the star. I use 2 sheets of paper for my star just to make it like a bit thicker, a bit more sturdy, but you don't necessarily have to. Then cut out the star, tape the paper together, and then tape it onto your headband. And then I drew like a couple of stars on the side. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching this Wacky Hat tutorial. I'm so excited to see you all at the assembly on Monday at 2 p.m. And I'm excited to see all your wacky hats or your wacky hairstyles. Remember to be creative and have fun. Bye.